Let's learn about farm animals today. But first, meet my friends, Aidan the dinosaur and Anna the unicorn. They will make a surprise appearance later in the video. Help me find out what their favorite farm animals are. Are you ready? Let's go! Cow. Pig. Horse. Sheep. Chicken. Duck. Alpaca. Rabbit. Donkey. Turkey. So, did you find out what Aidan's and Anna's favorite farm animals are? That's right! Aidan likes the pig and Anna likes the rabbit. Well done, little one! By the way, if you like this video, remember to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now!